Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the motion tracking feature in Filmora so that you can have any sort of text, videos, images just moving around and moving alongside your main picture, alongside your main guy or main girl which is in the video. In order to do that, you will need to get a video where you will be able to see the complete subject into the frame at all times. Let's say if he's moving or walking, running, whatever, but that subject has to be in frame at all times. If it's not, you can definitely just crop that part out of the video, but then the rest of the video should have that person. Once you are in there, what you can do is double click on the video, another menu will appear up and you will have the third option saying motion tracking. Or easier way is by just clicking on the video once, and here you will be able to see the shortcut for motion tracking. Click on that and this menu will appear up. Now what you need to do is take that rectangle box and then just put it alongside around that particular subject. So by resizing it, let's say once you have your subject into the frame like this, after that leave the rest of the job to Filmora by clicking on start tracking. It will take its sweet time and then it will, in the entire video, analyze where that particular subject is. Once that is done, Filmora has done its job. Now next thing is whatever you want to place or whatever you want to motion track for this particular video, you can add that. Let's say if I want to add the name of the person, so head over to titles this time. And for this video, I will just select the normal basic text so that it's easier for us to see. Once you have the text onto the timeline, just stretch it and match it to the length of the complete video like this. And after that, let's just change the name of the text. For example, let's say the name of the person is Alex. So I will put the word Alex, then click on OK. Then resize the text based on your requirement so that it's a bit visible. So to resize the text, double click and then increase the size to, let's say 105 or maybe even more, 125. I think should be more than enough. Once you're happy with that, drag it and place it wherever you want to place that text. Once you're happy with that, next step is to double click on the video again. And this time, since we have added our text alongside that particular subject, in the motion tracking, you will be able to see this drop down menu. And here you can just select that text which you just added. For example, in my case, it's basic 6. Click on that and then click on OK button. After that, let's try playing the video out and see how it's looking like now. So if you see carefully, basically wherever that person will move, this text will move alongside that. Now this is something you can already see, like, the opportunities are endless, the creativity is endless. You can pretty much do anything and everything that you want now. So the creativity is endless with this. Do try this method out. If you have any sort of questions, do post them in the comment section below. Also do consider subscribing so that whenever the new videos are up, which are every single week, you will be getting notified about them in relation to this software and many other softwares that I'll be coming up with. So thank you so much for watching. I'm done with this video. Have a great day ahead. Stay safe and I will see you all in the next video.